everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so you're far away. This is a big canvas and I'm going to tell you guys what is going on here today in 1 minute. But before I get started, I wanted to welcome you all to my channel. For those of you who are new watching, I'm Kanella Ciraco. This is my YouTube channel, and if you are new watching, I would love it if you would hit that red subscription button and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. All right, so this piece here was one of the very first pieces I did when I started doing acrylic pouring. I started off with the flip cups, and this was a flip cup with really pretty colors, and it was a lot of paint. This is a 24 by 48 inch canvas, and it does have Liquitex gloss varnish on it. Hey guys, coming in here with a voiceover while I'm flooding this canvas. I just wanted to let you guys know this is video number 382 from back in October of 2021. That's right, October 2021, video 382. So if you want to watch the full original, go back and check out video number 382. So most of this is all original audio, but I am doing some voiceover. Here I am showing you the colors. What was that? Windsor Blue by Winsor Newton. I missed the second one, but it's a good thing back then I used to write these colors down. But in my new videos, you know that the colors that I use are always listed in the description below. Not these throwbacks though. Keeping busy. You guys are watching this on a Tuesday, September 23rd, which means I have officially gotten the keys to our new house, and I am busy moving into the new house with Anthony, and the kids will come next week and set up their rooms and all that. This week is going to be crazy, hectic, busy. You know, moving trucks coming, appliances are being delivered. My dad's coming up to start the basement. I mean, a lot is going on this week. A lot. So, can you hear that honking outside? This is what happens when you do a voiceover. Anywho, I am going to let you guys continue watching. Like I said, I'll throw in some voiceovers here or there, but you can probably tell the difference of when it's original audio and when it's an actual voiceover. I hope you're all doing well. I am, as I said, busy this week and for the weeks to come, obviously. I think that should be okay there. Now, on such a big canvas, I should be using my old, you know, faithful hairdryer here, but it's been so long since I've used it, and I really love the flower hairdryer. I'm kind of at a crossroads here on what to do and which hairdryer I should use. It's been a really long time since I've actually used my old hairdryer because I'm just so used to the flower right now. I really don't know which one I'm going to use just yet. I haven't decided yet, believe it or not. I have them both here on the table, and I just don't know what I'm going to do yet. I might just use the flower. And I just put my apron in the painting. I did. Let's add some more there. Why not? I did. I totally put myself, hello. There we go. All right, so now for the silver. Holy moly, I am just like depleting my bottles here. All right, so the white I'm only gonna add a little. I'm not actually gonna add a lot because I don't want too much white. I think I'm just going to do a little bit. The other ones I was squeezing really hard, and that's all I'm gonna do for the white. And last but not least, iridescent blue-green. These are gonna be pretty colors. All right, so let's pop the bubbles really quick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use my flower hair dryer. I don't know, actually, this is a lot of paint, big stripes. My torch is dying, needs butane. Okay, you know what? I am going to, oh gosh, I'll start with this. I'll do a blow or two and see how I'm doing. And if I really don't like it, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go back to the other hair dryer. So that, let's see, I'm going to start here and blow down. So let's see how it goes with this. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna swap hair dryers. So on this one, I use it on high, but on the flower hair dryer, I use it on low. So here we go. See, that was a really good blowout. Now I'm just worried about the rest though. Let me do this one and we'll see what happens. All right, so I'm liking it. I'm gonna switch for now. I just wanna see what my difference is gonna be here. I'm going to swap. It's really powerful, very, very powerful hair dryer. But I'm gonna use the little one and I'm gonna do this one because I want to try and avoid getting these two too close together. So I'm gonna use the small one. Yeah, let's go with that. I am just loving this piece. So I am going to use my squeeze bottle to touch up my edges all the way around, and I will be back and show you guys a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So I personally can't take my eyes off this piece. It turned out so pretty. Now, just remember to get your stick, your scraping stick, and scrape those drips all the way, all four sides. Very important. Okay, the drips are important to scrape off so that the paint does not pull away from the top of your canvas down the side. All right, so there's going to be reflections because it's a black base, but let me see if I can get the whole thing in. So there's the whole thing, and let's look at it up close. And I can't wait till this dries. I can't go too close because then it changes the way the color looks on the black. But when this dries, obviously it's going to dry darker, okay, for sure. Now, I'm seeing a lot of turquoise on the actual painting. I'm not sure if you get to see all that through this lens here, through my phone camera, but I'm super, super happy with it. I'm really glad I switched hair dryers. I probably could have blown that out a little bit better, especially right over here. I may actually, I might just leave it. But the rest of it, like you can see, it blew out really well. I'm super happy with it. And I love that streak of blue right in there. This is so pretty. I just really hope that it doesn't all pool here into the center, but time will tell. When it's dry, I'll definitely show you guys. All right, so let me turn off the lights and see what kind of shimmer we get with the flash on. Okay, so here's the piece with all the lights off. And let's see, there's gonna be obviously shimmer in this because there was a lot of metallics in here. There was the silver, there was iridescent silver, iridescent blue-green, the metallic cobalt blue. So there's definitely shimmer in here. Let's see here. It's so pretty. I love blue. I love, love, love blue. All right, I don't think I'll go through the whole piece, but maybe I will. I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with this piece. I'll be very upset if it doesn't dry right, or if it all just pools in the center because there's a lot of paint on here. But we shall see. So there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I'd say it's available for purchase, but that would be a lie because I'm keeping this one for myself. However, if you do like it and you love the colors and you love the black base, I could definitely do a piece for you with these same colors in any size canvas you want. So just let me know, although I won't do a big one like this if you live in the US. I could do two 24 by 24s equaling a 24 by 48. I can definitely do that. So anywho, if you are interested in a piece like this, email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Back to the voiceover, my friends. All right, so that was interesting, putting in voiceovers here and there and then letting you guys listen to part of the original video from years ago. Very interesting. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to know what you guys think about it in the comments below. You know what the funny thing is? I don't even know what happened to this painting. I know I said I was keeping it for myself and hanging it up in my home at the time. Clearly I don't have it. So at some point I must have sold it when I moved. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. I have no idea what happened to this painting. Someone obviously bought it because I don't have it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And like I said, I hope you guys continue to keep watching while I am settling into the new home and unpacking. And yeah, that is it for me. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.